Well, I'm sure most of you recognize this unit. The 2016 Ruud platform. Or Achiever, whatever you want to call these units. Still loud and clogged up as ever. Yeah, that thing was bad. I think this actually might be a 3-ton. Now that I look at the thing a little bit more. But, see, it's from 2016. One of 2016. That is hot. That's actually cold and sweaty. And this is loose. So is that. It's throwing out pretty hot air. I mean, I'm surprised it's still actually drawing air through the coil. Barely any. But, this actually might be a 3-ton. But I kind of thought the 3 tons were bigger. I don't know, you guys can tell me that, but I've been thinking this entire thing was a 13,000 BTU, 1 ton. Now that I look at it, it might be a 3-ton. So, still working. It's clogged up though. Alright, so, thanks for watching. Very nice unit. Yeah, this is right next to the pool at my complex, so, yeah. It's like 85 degrees right now, so thanks for watching. And, like, comment, and subscribe like always.